Okay, I cut the bridge into place and ended up using most of the uprights. Here's another shot of how it looks. Got some shimming to change here, but gives you an idea. And there's still some of the supports are on the bridge that have to be peeled off, but I'm gonna have that all painted metallic silver. I have to add these, I can add these risers at each end so that it'll fit, or I could carve down as well as an option. So this was all flat grade. This is the mountain that was in there before, and this is the bridge that was in there before. So I think that looks spectacular. All right.